late for work in this gated manual R8. I'm about 7.5 hours late for work. I'm about 7.5 hours late for work.
Boy, if you don't get... You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
So, we kind of got to get there as soon as possible, guys. She moves there, bub. She moves there, bub. This gated manual is crazy. I love it. Oh, it sounds good. So, I did tell you guys I was going to get an R8 or something along those lines, another Gallardo, an R8. So we ended up picking up an R8, first gen, gated manual. I do still want another Gallardo, so I got this just to test it out, see how I'd like it, and it's a cool car. It definitely is a cool car. I enjoy it. I just think that it's a little too mellow for my liking, at least.
Why are you driving it? Because I wanted to show it to you.
You know what I mean? Personally, I'd want.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? God damn it. What do you want?
I have to go.
I'd want the more raw Lamborghini feel. This feels like way too refined, calm, chill, under the radar kind of car. But otherwise than that, it's a really cool car. Looks good, sounds good, drives good. So out there, bub. She moves out there, bub. My boot got caught in the clutch pedal. I couldn't shift. Oh my goodness there, bub. Oh yeah, there, bub. Oh yeah. literally driving towards a police station right now. So we'll see how that plays out.
Windows down, feel the breeze. Moments like these bring me ease. Neon signs glide in view. Passing cars, sky so blue. Counting stars, one by one. Lost in time has begun.